Good afternoon, good evening, good morning, depending on when you're looking at this. We have a new project, a new sport, a 64 plate sport from Bridgewater, which is in sort of Taunton way, and one from BCA. What have we got? What is the deal with this one? So 1.2 64 plate. So I don't know if it's 2015. I'll have to double check that one. Let me just wave to the delivery man. There he goes. So the reason I had this delivered and I didn't go and collect it, which I could have done, is because it has no MOT. And I'm not going to drive 2 hours back with no MOT, because you can't tax the car. If you can't tax the car, you can't insure it. Well, you can actually insure it, temporary insurance. But anyway, we're getting too bogged down in this. So, all I can tell you at the moment is we appear to not have a service history with it. 91,000 on the clock, and that's I think it's had 2 owners. So we're going to look around this. All I've done is driven it from down here, reversed it onto the drive. My initial thought is potentially I need a bottom arm done on driver's side, but without an MOT. So I need to double check to see if it was coming in as an advisory, but there's so anyway, so let's get this started. Oh god, sorry, had a can of Pepsi Max earlier and I think I've still got the gas in me. Okay, so nice little key cover there. We do have 2 keys. Let me lock it. So we'll start. Shall we start from looking around it, shall we? So first thing I've noticed, just need to actually no, I thought that was a scuff. It's not. That's, don't even know, that's like gunk glue something, but that is a decent tyre. I'm happy with that. So we don't need to do anything with that tyre, that just needs cleaning off. Looking at this side, given it's black, there's always this risk, isn't it, that there's going to be some deep scratches on this. But from this side, it's looking good, that's for sure. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. On this side, there's nothing. Uniroyal on the front, that is some sort of bloody winter tyre, that. Great. Yeah, didn't really need to have that. Yeah, the rain tyre, didn't need that. But we'll have a look at what the other end. But again, the alloy is very good. Very happy with that. No dink in there. Nothing there. Don't need anything done on here. So that's looking good. Car hub is obviously where it's come from. In Bristol way. But given that it was Bridgewater, that this is where it's come from. Got a slight bit of cracking there. Yeah, you can just see. Don't really want to touch that. And a little stone chip there, but that's not too bad. All the lights are pretty good, all in the right place. So they did say that this was sticking out, and yeah, you can see the clip is broken, and that's what's causing that just to bend out a bit, which is a shame. I don't think there's going to be anything we can really do about that. Maybe just clean that up. That's a shame. This wheel's been a bit curved, so we're going to have to I reckon, given if everything else is good, we are going to have to take this off, and I'm going to just have to give that a little coat, a little spray to sort that out. But again, Uniroyal on the front, rain tyre. But again, the tread's not too bad. It's just a bit of a pointless tyre. God knows, I have no idea. Like, when you turn up and they go, oh, do you want a rain tyre? Okay, where do you live? Bristol. All right, okay, do you really need to like have a rain tyre in Bristol? Anyway, and again, this side, there's no supermarket trolley dinks. We're all looking good on here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. What about this one? Again, loads of tread on this one. They've been replaced. Some axis. Yeah, tiny little scratch there. I'm happy with that. Right, on the back, this needs touching up here. We've got a bit of paint chipping going on. Just need to sand that back and then spray that. And I think this is missing the chrome piece that sits on that, because that looks a bit awful, but it's not the end of the world, is it? Apparently there were scratches to the glass. Yeah, okay, so you can kind of, I don't know if you can see this, maybe from this angle. It's like someone's taken a scratch pad or something to that, and that scratched it. And it looks like someone screwed the wiper in, which is a little random. It's a Bosch one, but why has that got a screw on it? Peculiar. Right. Handle works, so that's a start. Come on, locking wheel nut. Yeah. There's no locking wheel nut in there at the moment. But it's fairly clean on the inside. Normally expect this to be absolutely completely full of crap. But no locking wheel nut at present. Okay. Oh, let's double check this. Doesn't look like that's been tampered with at the moment. Got a little sticky thing here. Wonder what that was for. And we're missing a little plug there. And I would suggest that this has had a aerial replaced, because that is hanging down. So might just have to sort that out as well. Right. That is good so far. Need to touch up the corners here. Okay, right. Sitting in it. So, quick check of that. Nothing is never going to be. Do we have the secret compartment? Yes, we do. Nothing in it. Of course, there's not. Come on. We'll worry about that later. But they generally clear these out anyway, don't they? So, it's very dark in here because obviously everything is black. We've got some mats. They look to be the originals. So, yeah, they'll go straight in. Doesn't look like the clips are broken. So I'm happy there. Happy so far. The radio, we'll just see. White noise. Oh. It's scrolling through. It doesn't like. We might have to buy another aerial. That's not happy, is it? No. Bugger. Right. Yeah, digital dash. No flashing mileage, so that's good. I will, however, I'll be honest, I am going to just check it since I've got you lot here. We'll turn on the ignition. I'll put on the radio. Let's turn that down. Right. Let's press the phone. The phone isn't working. So, has the Bluetooth module gone on this? That's the question. It's just, yeah, so these work, but that phone, okay, with the Bluetooth module may have gone. I'll need to plug in, I'll need to plug in the laptop. Right, so we have the V5 and a spare key, and then we have the book, but there's an indication we don't have the service history with it, and we don't. Nothing at all. That is disappointing. We got anything? No. Right, we'll have to go tracing that. What's this? Event of an accident. No. So yeah, so inside it's pretty decent. Don't need to replace anything here. It's all looking good. So let's pop the bonnet. Oh, that's very, very stiff. Let's hope that that did pop the bonnet. Looks like the bonnet has been popped. New battery. What brand is that? Oh god, it's a Halfords. It's a Halfords battery. Cam belt has been done. So that's a good sign. As and when, no idea. That's in place. We'll need to check the coolant another day when I've got a torch to check that. Let's check the oil. There's plenty of oil on that stick. That's good. Right. Okay. So let's sum up where we're at with this. So, tiny bit of paint work needs to be done on. Oh, tell you what I did highlight or did see, which we could get, and I could put it in because it looks like it's been wired in. Is they've had what appears to be a dash cam, although I'm not quite sure because there's this one here, as you can see. No, yeah, and then up behind here is another one, so it could well be we could get a dash cam and put that in, install that. So I might have a look at that. Anyway, right, where are we at? So starting at the front, need to touch up this wheel. That's a point. Did you see the locking wheel nut? Crap, there's no freaking locking wheel nut. Oh man, don't think there's a locking wheel nut. I need to get this off. Need to refurbish that. Need to sort out the paint here and do that. What else? That is it. Possible Bluetooth module needs to be looked at. Lower arm needs to potentially be replaced, and it did say, and there's an advisory, rear shockers, but until I get these wheels off, I'm not going to know. Right, there we have it. That is what we need to do to get this roadworthy, to get this MOT on, and to get it up for sale. Other than that, I actually think that's not bad. How much did I pay for it? So hammer price was 1100. Out the door was 1390, I think it was, something like that. So the only thing really that's going to cost me money is an MOT and a lower arm. I think that's all that's going to need, and potentially rear shockers. I'm hoping those tyres will be fine for the MOT. They should be. But yeah, right. 16 minutes in. Yeah, and there's no dents on the roof. Oh. Gonna need an aerial, aren't we? Right. That's really weird because... and that's all cracked. That's really weird because I've gone for a good period of time without replacing these. Now I've had to replace 3. Anyway, that is your 2014. Actually, is it gonna... it's probably not going to display it. I was hoping it would say when it was registered, but I don't want to give away too many details without saying who the owner is. Is it on here? It is on here. First registered in September 2014, so it is actually a 2014 car. So yeah, 2014 car. Shouldn't need too much work to be done on it to get it up and ready for sale. Let me know what you think. First black one I've done. I think that's quite a good colour for a lot of people. So yeah, until next time, thank you all for watching. Hit the like button if you like the car. Hit the like button if you like the channel. Comment what you think of it, and yeah, all subscriptions are most welcome in this day and age. Until next time, I will see you all very soon.